How to see deleted messages on Facebook. So if you want to see the deleted messages, like the unsent messages that your friends or your family members have unsent you, then I'll show you the process. But unfortunately Facebook don't have that option. You can go to your mobile settings, and under your mobile settings go for app and notifications, and here under notifications you will have you can see all the notifications that you received on your mobile. After that, tap on notifications, and then here you will have an option which says notification history. Tap on that. So here you can see that all of the notifications that you received from each and every app, like for example Messenger, Viber, Gmail, and every app, right? So from here you can see all the notifications. Even though that they have unsent you, you can see that messages from here, and you can also on and off this notification history, but make sure you have turned on to see the unsent messages. And if you want to see the Facebook messages, then you can go for apps and then make sure to turn the Facebook option on, so that you will receive the Facebook messages and you can see that unsent messages from Facebook. So yeah guys, this was the process to see the deleted messages on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.